To replace your gas cap, of course, open your gas cap door. I'm going to unscrew the gas cap, and you have to unlatch this retainer here with a pocket screwdriver. You can get right in front. There's a little clip that you can pry up, push this forward, and it comes right out. Now, if you had your new gas cap, you would want to reattach this over here, and it's got a little tab down there that slides into the door. Slide it down, push it back to lock it in, and tighten it back up. And now if you had any codes, check engine light codes, go ahead and clear them, and that should take care of your issue if this was your issue.